watch what we eat very carefully here.
Welcome back to Shortcuts. In this episode, we're going to venture in through the walls and down into the basement. Today's episode is inspired by the Wes Craven classic, The People Under the Stairs. How do you make a snack inspired by a movie this unique? After careful consideration of all the disturbing elements, the traps and creatures, we're going to make something a little bit crunchy, a little bit creepy looking, but surprisingly delicious. In The People Under the Stairs, the villains are obsessed with purity and see no evil, but the reality is a muddy, bloody mess. We're making the sweet, yet simple, House Roach Bites. Don't worry, there are no actual roaches involved, but these bites will have a textured, almost segmented look and a satisfying crunch that will remind you of, well, let's just say a certain uninvited guest that might scuttle across your kitchen floor. First, in a microwave-safe bowl, we're going to combine our peanut butter and maple syrup. Pop it into the microwave for about 30 seconds. Until it's warm and easy to stir. Give that a good stir until it's smooth and well combined. This is going to be our sticky glue. Add your puffed rice cereal. Crushed chocolate wafers. Now get in there with a spatula or even your hands. Make sure they're clean and mix everything until the cereal and crumbs are evenly coated. You want to be nice and sticky so it holds its shape. Once it's all mixed, we're going to form the small, irregular bump shapes. Think oblong, maybe a little bit bumpy. We want them to look a bit unsettling, just like the creatures lurking in the walls of the Robeson house. We're going to melt some dark chocolate chips. You can do this in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Once your chocolate is smooth and glossy, we're going to drizzle it over the bites. This adds another layer of flavor and gives them a more segmented look. Once you've got all your critters formed, pop them into the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes to firm up.
Nobody gets out.
Our House Roach Bites are firm and ready for the final touch.
Something's in there.
And there you have it, our House Roach Bites, inspired by the terrifying penance and the overall grimness of the people under the stairs. You can't have a meal in the Robeson house without something to take the edge off. Between the dogs in the walls and the shotgun-wielding dad in the hallway, you're going to need a stiff mocktail. This drink, the Triple Lock Tonic, features a dark and swampy aesthetic that clears up as you drink it, symbolizing the secrets coming to light. This is a blackberry and sage blend lemonade that looks dark and ominous at the bottom, but bright and acidic at the top. In a shaker, muddle the blackberries, sage leaves, and agave until the berries are completely pulverized. Gently pour a splash of sparkling water. Strain this thick black liquid into the bottom of a tall glass. Gently pour the lemon juice. Once it's blended, the acidity and blackberries blend together perfectly. This is a great lemonade to enjoy under the stairs. It's dark, it's brooding, and it's got a bit of a bite, just like the movie. Be careful once you start drinking, you might find it hard to leave the kitchen. The People Under the Stairs reminds us the real monsters aren't the ones in the basement, they're the ones running the house. So eat well, keep your doors locked, and for heaven's sake, stay out of the walls. Thanks for joining me on Shortcuts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, if you can't stand the heat, stay out of the basement.